Hello participants, it's glad to meet you all. As me and Vishnu told in the advertisement, we are searching for the talents for our upcoming projects. What we need is the one person actor who names in his expressions and emotion. So you guys are free to perform in any languages, but I am looking for his expressions only. So I hope you are all excited. We begin our session now. Action.
ಏಯ್ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಡಾಲಿ ತರ ಬದುಕ್ಬೇಕಣ. ಹೆಣ್ಣಾಗ್ಲಿ ಹೊನ್ನಾಗ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣಾಗ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ದಾರಿಲಾದ್ರೂ ಸರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
എന്തിനാ അവിടെ പതുങ്ങി നിന്നേ?
കാണാൻ.
ആരെ? എന്തിനാ കാണണേ?
നല്ല രസമുണ്ട്.
അച്ഛൻ വാങ്ങിയ കടം പെരുകി ഒടുവിൽ ഈ വീട് വിട്ട് ഇറങ്ങേണ്ടി വരുന്നു വന്നപ്പോ 12ാമത്തെ വയസ്സില് മാധവൻ കള്ളനായി. ചുങ്കത്തറയിലെ മേമയുടെ വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് പഠിക്കായിരുന്ന ഏട്ടനെ ഇതൊന്നും അറിയിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ഇന്ന് ഈ നിമിഷം വരെ.
മോളെ IPS വെച്ചേ, ഇത് നിന്റെ ഡൽഹിയും പാട്ടിയാലയൊന്നുമല്ല, ഇത് കോട്ടയമാ. കോട്ടയം, കാഞ്ഞിരപ്പള്ളിയും പാലയും മീനച്ചലും ചങ്ങനാശ്ശേരിയും ഒക്കെ അടങ്ങുന്ന കോട്ടയം. ഇവിടെ ഭരിക്കുന്ന എണ്ണം കെട്ട ഡെമോക്രസിയും ജുഡീഷ്യറിയും ഒന്നുമല്ല. ഞങ്ങളതാ കുറച്ച് ഗുസ്തി അറിയാവുന്ന.
Hey Vishnu, it's a wonderful experience today. All the participants for the auditions have performed very nice. I liked all of them. But did you notice that George? Oh, what a wonderful acting he has done. Such an attitude, his expressions, emotions. Oh, he nailed it. So I'm going to select him as an actor for our upcoming project. So tell me, what's your opinion on that?
That's great. He's a genuine actor. When we were in Pune Institute 2 years back, he got the Best Performer Award. Hi George bro, you did well. Ma'am said that you will definitely select for the upcoming movie.
Really? At last.
Hi Soumya, Monica Rani here. I just called to inform you that my son has also attended to your audition. I know he'll make a good actor and continue my legacy. I also know that you might have some other option, but make sure Deva gets selected. And I assure you that I'll produce your next film. And don't even think of neglecting my son and taking someone else, since it might even cost you your future.
And also, I didn't announce the actor, so tomorrow I'll make the change in my decision, and the Dev Prasad, that is the son, no? So okay, I will give him the chance.
You all did well, even though director has selected Deva Prasad for the upcoming movie. Best of luck for the all other participants. I can understand your feelings, but this is reality. I definitely believe that you are the best person for that character. Also, ma'am said like that. Even though she received a call from famous actor Monica ma'am, after that she changed her decision and selected Deva Prasad. Nepotism is very common in our industry.
It's okay, bro. I'm used to it.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Filmfare Awards 2021. I am here to present the Best Debutant Award for the year. All the nominees in this category have rewarded moviegoers with fully dimensional characters and exemplary performances. So let's see who the winner is. And the award goes to, oh, no surprise here, the star kid Ashish Pandey.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm very honored of receiving this award. It was completely unexpected for me to win this award. First of all, I would like to thank my director, my staff, my co-teams who always supported me and believed in me and recognized my talent for this movie, for this film. Special thanks to my family and my friends who always supported me and believed in me. Yesterday, I was very worried about whether I will get nominated for this award or not. I had a conversation with my father and he said, "You're not going to just get nominated for this award, you're going to definitely win this award." And today, look, I won this award. Thank you, Dad, very much. Thank you guys very much for believing in me. Thank you.
He's always support.
What's up?
Nothing much.
So did you see the Filmfare Awards yesterday?
I thought you were studying.
Like I was, but my favorite actor Ayushmann Khurrana was nominated. So how could I miss the show?
So did he win?
Can you believe it? I was so sure that he would win. But that Ashish guy, that star kid, he won it.
Did he really deserve that?
Of course not. Have you even seen his acting? He's so terrible at it. Like, he shouldn't be even near a camera. I don't even know how he get into this acting thing.
Probably because he's a star kid, right?
He's a star kid, right? Exactly. But it isn't good, right? For his whole acting career, he didn't even had one good movie. Zero skills and always boasting about his hard work and skills. Ayushmann really deserved it.
Yeah, it seems like now enough recognition is not getting for those who deserved, right?
I know, right? I was actually thinking that it is so discouraging to so many emerging actors in India. What can we do? All these people and their money. Whatever can be, I wish it could have been changed. Ashish doesn't really deserve this.
Today we have with us none other than the superhero Mr. Salman Raj. He is making waves in the industry and he is gone to the top place. Welcome Mr. Salman Raj. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you so much for having me. It's good to be here.
All of us know that you have years of experience in the industry. And actually, what really inspired you to take up acting as a career?
When I was in second class, I think, my dad bought a DVD of the classic Bollywood movie Sholay. When I watched that movie, I was pretty impressed. Amitabh Bachchan and Dharmendra's performance was just fantastic. And ever since then, I wanted to become an actor. I want to go on the same adventures. I want to do stunts. Why can't I? When I was in college, I got a chance to be in a drama, and when I did the drama, that was very satisfying. And then I decided that becoming an actor is my life goal.
And what about your upcoming projects?
There are a few scripts on my table awaiting for my approval, but as of now nothing is finalized. But there is one story that I'm very excited about. It is about a young migrant laborer who works in the city and wanted to go back to his home village when the draconian lockdown was imposed last year. And we want to show the trials and tribulations that these migrant laborers had faced when there was no transport to take them back to their houses.
You have been in the industry for a long time, and what are some of your life experiences that you would like to share with us?
Oh, okay. Where shall I begin? I did not have any support, These days actors are coming based on their connections and based on, power. Back in the day, we had to go through rigorous auditions and rigorous scrutiny by veteran directors. Back in the day, we did not have this kind of nepotism, When I went to Chennai back in 1980s, the first director that I met told me that I had a lot of talent in me. And when he said that, it was wonderful. I started making movies at the time when, economy was opening up and a lot of foreign brands were coming in. So it was a good time. But as time went by, I started noticing something. People were distancing themselves from me. I wonder why. Then one day I came to know that distributors, production companies, they want to work with this particular set of families, particular set of people who have a lot of influence in the industries. They don't want to come and work with people like me. What do I have to offer them? I only have good movies to offer. These big families, these big politicians, they only want money. They, with their money power and with their muscle power, they are trying to throw people like me out of competition. They send in their children to big arts colleges in America and in Europe, and at the most their children are mediocre actors, but they are being favored above many other extremely talented people, and this is very disappointing. When I started my own production company, no one supported me. I would go around from distribution company to distribution company begging them to please release my movie in their theaters, but no one would listen to me. And it was very difficult to get at least a dozen theaters to accept my movies. I faced a lot of struggle, but in the end I think it was worth it. I have nothing else to say.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us, and hope your film will be a successful, and wish you all the best. Thank you.